This is Dr. Sheila Tikku speaking to students of class second year. The chapter is Chemistry of Elements of First Transition Series, and the topic is the compounds of iron. Iron shows the oxidation states of +2, +3, +4 and +5 and +6, but +2 and +3 oxidation states are very common. The zero oxidation state occurs in case of carbonyls where the bonding electrons are contributed by carbonyl molecules. Compounds of iron 2. Iron forms a large number of compounds in +2 oxidation state. Here we shall discuss some of the compounds. The number 1 is iron 2 oxide. It is obtained as a black powder when ferrous oxalate is heated to about 160 degrees centigrade in absence of air. In air it burns to give ferric oxide, which is soluble in water but soluble in HCl or H2SO4. So it doesn't have to be contacted with oxygen, so that the difference is this, that the iron gets rusted. Ferrous sulfate. It may be prepared by the reaction of ferric oxide in sulfuric acid. Iron plus sulfuric acid make ferrous sulfate, and ferric oxide plus H2SO4 again give ferrous sulfate. Ferrous sulfide with sulfuric acid gives H2S gas and ferrous sulfate, which is the Gibbs apparatus. Commercially, it is prepared from heaps of iron pyrites. Properties: they are light green crystals of ferrous sulfate which lose water and become brown on exposure to air due to oxidation. On heating, it decomposes as follows. Ferrous sulfate gives ferric oxide plus sulfur dioxide plus sulfur trioxide. With nitric oxide, it forms a black. It turns black due to formation of nitrosoferrous sulfate. This is destroyed by heat. It also reacts with KMnO4 and produces iron, manganese and water. Reaction with K2Cr2O7. It also reacts with K2Cr2O7. And produces iron plus chromium plus water. It also reacts with nitrate and produces iron plus nitric oxide plus water. Reaction with chlorine and mercuric chloride. Iron reduces and forms Fe2 plus. With mercury it forms mercury. With Sn it forms Sn. Knowing the higher reduction potential, higher the tendency to be reduced, to be concluded into mercuric and then to mercury. It forms double salt with the sulfates of alkali metals. Iron 2 chloride or ferrous chloride. It is dissolved in pure iron in dilute HCl. These crystals decompose on heating and the crystals are bluish green. These bluish green crystals are of ferric chloride. The white feathery crystals of ferrous chloride decompose into ferric oxide and ferric chloride on heating. With ammonia gas, it gives ferric FeCl2 6NH3 at room temperature. Complexes of iron 2. Fe plus 2 forms complexes. A number of complexes such as FeCl2, FeCN6, but it usually is a complex compound. Compounds of iron 3. Iron 3 sulfate or ferric sulfate. It is prepared by oxidation of acidified ferrous sulfate solution with nitric acid. Ferrous sulfate plus nitric acid forms FeSO4 whole thrice plus NO plus water. Iron 3 chloride. Iron 3 chloride. Ferric chloride. Ferrous chloride. Substitute it with ferric chloride. Anhydrous ferric chloride is prepared by passing dry chlorine over heated iron when the salt sublimes over as deep red crystals. FeCl3 reacts with water to form ferric hydroxide plus HCl. Then it forms a double salt FeCl2, FeCl3, most probably covalent and dimeric. Complexes of iron 3. Iron forms even large number of complexes than Fe plus 2. The coordination number of Fe plus 3. It forms many complexes. They may be tetrahedral, they may be octahedral, and these type of complexes of iron are usually common in the chemistry. These complexes are formed when the coordination number of iron is emptied by 2, 4 and 6.